Hey, what's up guys? It's the Smart Home Helper, and today I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset the Nooie Cam. So what's good for factory resetting? Let's say you're having your troubleshooting, you are having syncing issues. This is a new camera from a friend. You're typically going to want to do a factory reset. That's really the starting point whenever you do troubleshooting. And what that'll do is it'll allow it to sync and be ready to go. So let me show you how to do the factory reset. So first things first, power's got to be on. So once that power is on, you'll see the red light flashing there, the light's there. Hey, that's on. So next step is you're going to identify in the back this little hole here that says reset. So with that reset button that we found, you're going to have like a little tack or needle, and you're going to push that reset button. You'll hear a click there, and you'll do it for 5 seconds. So you'll hold it down for 5 seconds. And then you'll actually hear this device make a noise letting you know, hey, this has been factory reset. So let me go ahead and do it for you. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There you go. You heard that little ding there. So that lets you know that it's been reset. Hey guys, if I helped you out here, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you had any issues, go ahead and leave a comment. See you guys.